Okay, this one is really straightforward. There's a whole bunch of ways to do it. I'm going to just show you one way. And that is if you compare, say, these two pans, you find that you swapped out a large for an extra large. So this means I added 4. Alright? Or for example, if I compare this one to this one, small becomes medium. So small plus 4 is equal to medium. And how do we know it's plus 4? Because it's the difference between these two numbers. Or this 4 is the difference between those two values. Okay? And then there's one more pairing. That's S. Okay. Medium gets swapped out for large, so medium plus 4 is equal to large. And then this 4 is the difference between those two numbers. Okay? So that's the first thing to realize is that pairwise, if you swap out something for the next size up, you can easily figure out what the difference is. So whatever your original value is, so small, and then small plus 4 is equal to medium. Small plus 8 is large. Small plus 12 is extra large. Okay? And so then let's go back and figure out what everything must be. And one way you can do this, there's so many ways. Once you get to this key, there's a whole bunch of ways to go from there. But we already know small, medium, large. Let's just erase this for now. Small, medium, large, you add them together, you get 27. But what if you, oh, I'm on a computer, I can just kind of do this, right? Get 3 of these guys, and you add them up together, and we say, well, now what happens? So if I took the small one and replaced it with medium, how would that change the balance pan? Well, the small became medium, so it should be plus 4 off of 27. The medium's still a medium. And then the large became a medium, so now I'm subtracting 4. It just so happens that it was 4 in both cases. Okay? So what we end up with 3m is 27, m is 9, which means small is 5. Okay, Theodore, it's a blue S. And extra large is 17, and that's it. So that was the easy way to do that. Okay, there's lots of ways to do it, but you know, that's an easy way. It's a blue L, yep.